In this video, we will be showing you how to unpack and assemble the AirGlide. To do this, you will need 2 people, an air source which holds at least 100 psi, 5 sizes of hex wrench, 1/4 inch, 3/16 inch, 1/16 inch, 5/32 inch, and 9/64 inch, 1 1/2 inch box wrench, and a large framer's square. Put the box onto a flat surface and open it. In it should be an airline with a 1/4 inch NPT female quick disconnect attached. The cartridge is ordered and 50 blades, along with 2 material stops and 3 square spacers. There will also be the screw sets. Remove the gantry, rails, legs, and wall mount. Lay them out. Make sure that the control panel on the gantry is facing up. Inspect for damage and double check all parts have been received. Take out the backboard assemblies. The right backboard assembly has a ruler on it. Note that the right side of the horizontal rail is larger than the left side. Remove the block stabilizers from the extender rail and set aside for later use. Lay the gantry and vertical frame assembly down onto a flat surface. Slip the horizontal from the thinner left side into the frame assembly. Make sure that both rulers are facing up on the extender rail and the horizontal rail. Screw them together with the screws that are already in the horizontal rail. Line up the center hole. Insert the 5-inch, 127 mm screw from the back and loosely secure the screw on the front with the nut. Make sure there are the fender washers on both sides. Lay the left backboard against the frame assembly, matching up the hole in the top inside corner of the board to the hole in the frame assembly. Insert the 4-inch, 102 mm bolt with washer through the frame into the board hole. Loosely secure. Lay the right backboard against the frame assembly slightly farther back than the left side. Match up the board hole to the frame assembly. Insert the 4-inch, 102 mm screw with washer through the frame and loosely secure. Now you will attach the legs on the boards to the horizontal assembly. Put the square spacers on. Match the holes in the legs with the holes in the horizontal rail. Take the 2.5 inch, 63.5 mm screws with fender washer. Insert it from the back of the leg through the spacer and into the horizontal rail. Repeat for the other leg. Screw in the extender support bars into the top left corner. Secure with 3 0.625 inch 16 mm screws, 2 for the top and 1 for the bottom. Find the extender leg and install it. Secure with 0.625 inch 16 mm screws, 2 for the top and 2 for the bottom. Then secure the extender leg to the horizontal rail through the square spacer with the 2.5 inch 63.5 mm bolt with a fender washer. Now attach the vertical rail support. Use the 1.75 inch 63.5 mm screws with washer. Match up the holes on the back of the vertical rail support with the holes on the back of the vertical rail. Screw them in from the back below the 5-inch 127 mm screw. Next, attach the wall mount or the back leg. For the wall mount, the bracket should be mounted on the center line of a wall stud. The bottom mounting hole on the bracket is 63 inches, 1,600 mm above the floor. Then the upper mounting hole is 4.25 inches, 108 mm above the bottom mounting hole. Find the mounting bracket near the top back of the frame. Using the 2 remaining 2.5 inch, 63.5 mm screws, bolt the back leg or wall mount bracket into the mounting bracket. One person should hold the machine while another person secures the bolts. Lower the machine to a standing position. From the back, gently push the backing board. On the back of the board there is double-sided tape. Remove the paper from the bottom up and secure the board to the rails. Reattach the left backing board stabilizer onto the back of the machine. There will be 3 screws for the stabilizer. Leave the stabilizer loose until after squaring is complete. From the back, attach the airline into the left side of the air regulator. Attach the 1/4 inch NPT female quick disconnect side of the airline to an air source. Slide the material stops onto each end. The ones with shorter fingers will go on the left side. On the lower right-hand side there are 2 screws underneath. Unscrew them. Line the cartridge holder up with the holes and reinstall the screws. The cartridge rack holds the cartridges when not in use. Before you use the machine, you need to square it. Take a large framer square and line it up with the vertical frame. If it is not level, then the horizontal rail needs to be adjusted. Loosen the screws holding the horizontal rail to the legs and in the center. Adjust the horizontal bar until the square is level against the horizontal and vertical rails. Tighten the screws on the legs, then in the center. Once you have finished squaring, go back and tighten all the screws on the machine. Now your machine is ready to cut. The next video in this mini-series is on how to cut with your machine. Thank you for watching. For more support, call us at our toll-free number 888-855-3335.